guys, welcome back to my channel and the fourth video in my seller series playlist. In this video, we are going to talk all about how to prep your home for sale, which is a very crucial part in the home selling process and something that often gets overlooked by sellers. This video will help you understand the importance of prepping your home for sale, not only for beautiful listing pictures, which is going to be the topic of my next video, but also to appeal to as many buyers as possible. And hi, if we haven't met yet, my name is Stacey Russell, your Northwest Houston realtor, educating buyers, sellers, and investors on all things real estate. And I absolutely love helping people understand anything and everything real estate related. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if that's something that you enjoy learning about and become a part of my community. And speaking of community, I just want to take a quick second before we dive into today's topic and just let you know how appreciative I am to every single person who has liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. I work really hard to create content that resonates with you and is useful to you. And I did have a video that I posted last week about how to determine the value of any home. And I was blown away with the love and support that I received from people who were commenting and liking and subscribing to my channel. So I just want to say thank you so much for doing that and welcome to the community. All right, so let's get back to the topic of today's video, which is prepping your home for sale. Prepping your home for sale can actually help you sell your home faster and for more money. But I'm not gonna lie to you, this process can be stressful, emotional, and overwhelming, and you may feel like you have no idea where to start. But I want you to know that these feelings are totally common and they are understandable. And so this is exactly why I'm making this video, to help you understand where to focus your attention when prepping your home for sale so that you can make your plan and sell your home and move on to the next journey of your life. So for the first step, I personally like to tell my clients to start by taking note of any repairs or updates that need to be made to the interior or the exterior of the home. And if you've been following along with my seller series playlist, you know that when you interview realtors, this should be one of the things that realtors do with you at the listing appointment. Another option that's available to you is for you to pay for a pre-listing inspection with a licensed inspector. This is going to give you an idea of items that need to be replaced or repaired or updated before the buyer gets their home inspection when your home goes under contract. But if you're going to do this, I have to tell you something that is really important. Depending on which seller disclosure notice you use, you may be required to disclose and include the inspection report on that seller disclosure notice. So just be sure to check with your realtor and make sure that it does make sense for you to move forward with a pre-listing home inspection. If you want more information on seller documents and disclosures, then be sure to check out this video right here. So there are a few reasons why I tell my clients to start with this particular step. Repairing, replacing, and updating items in your home can be really time-consuming and also dependent on items that are in stock. So you're gonna wanna make a list of all of the items that need to be repaired, replaced, or updated so that you have a plan of action when it comes to actually doing that work and you're not strapped for time or rushing to try to get things done quickly. The second reason is that as a seller, you're gonna need to be prepared for the fact that when a buyer goes under contract on your house, they are typically going to pay for their own home inspection. So if you can get ahead of that information, either by getting a pre-listing inspection or repairing, replacing, or updating some of those items that you are aware need to be done, that can actually really help you save a lot of money whenever the time comes to negotiate. And the third being that certain repairs and updates can actually increase the value of your home and make you more money on the sale of your property. So once again, you're just gonna wanna talk to your realtor first so that they can give you their opinion on if you making that repair or update is going to be worth your money, your time, and if it's going to get you a good return on investment. So the next item on the list of prepping your home for sale is to paint. I can't recommend painting enough. This is honestly one of the most cost-effective ways to transform the interior or exterior of any space. Be sure to stick with neutral paint shades because these colors go with anything and they aren't distracting, overwhelming, or too seller specific. So the buyer can actually focus on envisioning their furniture and home decor in that space. Next step in prepping your home for sale is to depersonalize and declutter. And trust me, I completely understand that this can be challenging to do when you are selling your home, but it's just really important important to remember that when you're selling your house, the buyer really needs to be able to envision themselves living in your home. So you'll want to depersonalize and declutter by removing any personal pictures, religious symbols, and seller-specific furniture or decor. You're gonna wanna simplify your space by removing unnecessary items from your home and making plans to either keep, donate, or throw those items away. And buyers totally understand that you're moving, but we're going to wanna make sure that boxes and storage bins are moved out of closets and out of rooms and put neatly into the garage. However, some sellers may decide that they want to keep their belongings in an off-site storage facility, and that's totally fine too. After you have decluttered and depersonalized, you're going to want to hire a professional cleaner to come in and de-clean your home. Now, I know it's not always in the budget to have a professional cleaner come out, but I'm telling you that I cannot recommend this part enough. And honestly, it is really worth the money. A professional cleaner will not only take the stress off of you having to spend days deep cleaning your home, but they're also going to clean your home like nobody else. They are going to clean every single nook and cranny so that it is perfect for listing pictures and for showings. And it's important to remember that we are doing this to help your home sell quickly and for more money. And when buyers tour homes in person, they do have certain expectations for cleanliness. So having things in your home like dirt and hair and spider webs and marks on the wall and stains on the floor, those are all things that could potentially turn off a buyer, and they may decide to just walk away from the home or offer you significantly less for your home. Up until this point in the video, we have talked mostly about the interior of the home, and so let's go ahead and focus on the exterior. So whether you decide to use a professional landscaper or do the work yourself, there are a couple of things that you're gonna wanna make sure get done. Your lawn should be mowed, edged, and your driveway, walkway, entryway, and back patio should be clear of any debris. As far as landscaping goes, there should be a mix of healthy plants and flowers, and it's really nice to have your mulch be refreshed. On the exterior, I also strongly recommend power washing, cleaning out your gutters, and having your exterior windows cleaned. And if you have something in your backyard like a pool, just make sure that you are taking those extra steps to make sure the water looks nice. The last item on the list for prepping your home for sale is to consider staging, whether that is physical staging or virtual staging. On average, staged homes sell 88% faster and up to 20% more than homes that are not staged. Staging a home helps give specific rooms a purpose and can really help the buyer understand how to utilize a certain room for themselves. Staging is typically an added expense and not always necessary or in the budget. But I really do encourage my clients, just like I'm gonna encourage you, that even if you have a little bit of money in your budget, see what the cost would be to either stage virtually or have some light staging done by your realtor. So those are my recommendations on things that need to be done in order to prep your home for sale. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you are anywhere near the Houston area and you want some information on some of the vendors that I use, I'm more than happy to send you their contact information so that you can get started with the process of prepping your home for sale. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.